And good afternoon, everyone, an IndianaWeatherOnline.com video forecast update as we track today's winter storm, brought to you by the Bootbox Online and Nettle Creek Hardware. If you're looking for a new pair of boots or any type of shoes, check out the BootboxOnline.com. And if you live in the Wayne County or Hagerstown area, the Nettle Creek Hardware is the best choice for your snow and ice removal needs. As we take a look at what's going on right now, current conditions in Indianapolis: 23 degrees, winds out of the east at 12 miles per hour. We have a humidity at 68%. That's something we're going to be watching because as the humidity rises, it'll moisten up the atmosphere and allow that snow to start to fall across the area. So as we take a look at the radar to our south and to our west, well, what are we expecting? We're watching some developing snow across portions of Illinois, Missouri, and some heavy snow back across Kansas. You can see the low pressure centered across north central Texas, and a lot of freezing rain over Arkansas. As the storm moves east and northeast, that snow will overspread northern and central Indiana and western Ohio. The freezing rain into southern Indiana and northern Kentucky. And we're going to be tracking the storm very closely as we do expect conditions to deteriorate rapidly as we head into the afternoon. So we do have a winter storm warning in effect for nearly the entire state of Indiana. Winter weather advisories are in effect for Lake Porter, LaPorte, and St. Joseph counties. However, you'll see in our next map, on our snowcast map, that we expect those to be upgraded to winter storm warnings. Why? Well, this is based on the latest model trends and some of the newest data that we have in. We think that 6 to 9 inch band could work as far north as Valparaiso, including the southern part of Lake Porter and LaPorte counties. We've also included a 12 inch band now from Kokomo and Tipton over through Anderson, Muncie, Marion, Hartford City, Decatur, Bluffton, Portland, Winchester, and into northwestern Ohio, including Greenville and points north, Salina, and up towards the Lima and Cleveland area. Why do we think the amounts are going to be so heavy? Well, there's a lot working with the system. Number one, it has a lot of strength and the lift with it, and going to create some instability. In fact, we think we could see some thunder snow this afternoon, and if you don't know what thunder snow is, basically it's a snowstorm where you have lightning strikes and it produces very intense snowfall rates. And without the thunder snow, we think we'll get snowfall rates of 1 to 2, maybe even 3 inches per hour during the height of the storm from 6 p.m. until 3 a.m. Thunder snow could create even higher rates than that. So we do not recommend travel this evening. Travel conditions will become messy. And as we go farther south, we have 3 to 6 inches plus ice for Bloomington, over towards the Franklin area and into southwestern Ohio, including Butler and Warren counties up towards Dayton. 3 to 6 inches of snow plus ice. We think you could see a quarter to maybe a third of an inch of ice accumulation. And then our big-time ice concerns: Evansville, Louisville, Madison, Cincinnati, and northern Kentucky. Ice storm warnings actually just issued for Cincinnati, where we think a half inch of freezing rain and ice accumulation is possible. That means that power outages are definitely a concern. Needless to say, this is a very dangerous storm for all of Indiana and all of Ohio. Travel is not recommended tonight. It will not be better Wednesday morning. It's going to take quite a while to get the snow and ice cleared up. We recommend after you get home from work or school this evening, just stay put because it is going to get nasty out there. As we take a look at our ThreatCast, brought to you by Grow Your Business University, we're expecting significant impacts from this storm. Winter storm warnings in effect. Snow and precipitation moves in after 4 p.m., the heaviest between 6 p.m. and 3 a.m. Conditions go downhill quickly as we head into the evening with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. That freezing rain across southern Indiana, where a half inch of ice is possible near the Ohio River. The snow does taper off Wednesday morning, but blowing and drifting tonight and tomorrow with 25 to 30 mile per hour winds. Nasty road conditions persist much of the day tomorrow, and to make matters worse, temperatures will be falling all day on Wednesday. That will make it even more difficult for road crews to try to effectively clear the roads. So what are we expecting as far as the rest of the day? Well, let's take a look at your forecast. This is hour by hour in Indianapolis. We're expecting 25 degrees at 10 a.m., which obviously was this morning, but a chance of snow showers at 2 with a temperature of 28. And then a 100% chance of snow and maybe even heavy snow with a temperature of 26 degrees at 6. So as we take a look at your CityCast today for the city of Indianapolis, 28 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, that heavy snow by this evening, a 100% chance of snow later today. It will be messy across the area. So definitely take it easy out there if you're on the roads and Of course, make sure that you monitor IndianaWeatherOnline.com, and we'll keep you posted on our Facebook page, website, and Twitter throughout the afternoon and evening as this winter storm progresses across the area.